Ready?
Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen. Welcome back. Happy holidays.
Well, great to be back with you, Miss
Yeah.
Morgan.
Great to be back with you, Miss Jodi.
And we have another special, fun, easy, super easy recipe.
Very easy recipe.
Okay, well, full disclaimer, we can't bake anything right now.
Because our oven is dead.
Our oven is broken. The stove doesn't work. The oven doesn't work. So we were like scrambling, thinking, oh goodness, what are we gonna do, right?
Yeah.
So
we found this awesome recipe, my personal favorite. Delicious recipe.
would you like to share what we're making tonight?
We are making chocolate-covered pretzels.
Chocolate-covered pretzels, because what a great staple at holiday parties.
Yes, definitely.
Super easy.
Super good.
And super kid-friendly to help do in the kitchen.
Yes.
So really all you need are
chocolate, pretzels, and sprinkles.
Sprinkles if you
microwave.
so desire. Yeah, and we did it in the microwave. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did, it doesn't really matter. There's lots of different brands, but we used melting wafers, like chocolate melting wafers.
Yeah.
You could also do, where do I have it? Almond bark.
Mm-hmm.
That's another option. And when you melt it in the microwave or on the stovetop, you just have to make sure you're doing it at a really slow, low level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So like on the microwave, I did 30 seconds at a time at 50% power.
Yeah.
Because then it doesn't explode or get overdone.
Wow.
Yes. Or if you were doing it on the stove, do it super low temp.
Yeah.
Right?
Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't know us,
oh, I'm sorry. Right? Who are you?
my name is Morgan, Jodi's best cooking partner.
Absolutely. And I'm Jodi Edstrom. I'm the library director for Carver County Library. So we're so glad to be here. We're always happy to not only cook together, right?
Yes.
But it's all about also featuring recipes that we find in the library's collection.
Yeah.
Whether it's the print books, the hard copies in the libraries themselves, or a lot of times we've been featuring from the Libby app, like digital recipes.
This recipe is a ebook holiday collection in the Libby app.
An e-magazine, actually.
Or e-magazine. Sorry.
Okay, so the cool thing is, when we're like checking out in the grocery store, there's magazines usually featured, and there's sometimes really fun recipe ones.
Yeah.
So we have those in our e-magazine collection. So like tonight's was from like a Christmas collection.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I'm going to have to look into that.
And it's super easy. You just download it and you can read it on your laptop or your
phone, iPad,
you name it.
Kindle, something like
that.
Yeah,
exactly. So, okay, well, let's get started. So we actually already went ahead and we did a dark chocolate and a white chocolate.
Yes.
And we got that going because it does take a few minutes in the microwave. You just have to be really patient. It doesn't take long though, and keep stirring after each 30 seconds.
Yeah, and just make sure you don't overdo the chocolate, I guess.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Or burn the chocolate, I should say.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And as you know, there's a lot of, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but there's different pretzels you can purchase.
Yes,
so what would you like to highlight, Morgan?
Well, I love the Old Dutch pretzels. So I like the rods. These are my favorite to coat the chocolate in.
But other companies make rods too. We're not
yes,
we're not supporting Old Dutch by any means. But
Old Dutch. Yeah, they're like pretzel rods, so that's super cool. And then you are sponsoring today.
The little twisties, just the regular old pretzel twists. Is that what they're called? Tiny twists. So delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and look who showed up. Hey, bud. Do you want a pretzel? Duke's here with us tonight. Good boy. He likes pretzels too. No chocolate for him, of course. Nope. But he can have pretzels. So
we can.
Let's do one up. Show me what do you want to start with?
I'll start with a rod, and then you can go in with a twisty.
Okay, I'll go with a twisty.
All right.
You're gonna do white chocolate or dark chocolate?
I'll start with white.
Okay, and I'm gonna do dark. I'm gonna just drop mine in there.
And I'm gonna grab my little spatula and just start coating it in my chocolate.
Oh, do you remember how I'll show you my trick next time? Yep.
Oh wait, yours is like.
So you can like, it depends upon what kind of like bowl or jar or cup that you melt your chocolate in.
It doesn't really matter.
Doesn't really matter. As long as it's microwave safe if you're doing it on the in the microwave, not on the microwave. What am I saying, Morgan? Okay, so there's my dark chocolate twist. I'm gonna lay it on, and we put some wax paper out. Here, I'll move this a little bit this way so everybody can see. We did wax paper on a cutting board, or it could be a cookie sheet.
Hi, Bud.
Hi, Bud. We're so happy you're here tonight.
Yes,
I know, but you
definitely.
can't have the chocolate, Bud. Okay. All right. How we doing, Morgs?
I think we're almost done. I just have to get a little higher on my
I'm
rod.
gonna do a couple more. The twists can go pretty fast.
The rods, however.
Oh,
Duke.
Duke.
No.
Oh, he's so happy to be back on cooking in the kitchen.
Yes, definitely.
Yep.
Yeah.
You stay down, buddy. Okay?
So
All right, I'll put those. How we doing, Morgs?
going good. I think mine is basically done. Just one more.
And this is super fun because the chocolate really doesn't heat up that hot. So if you have kiddos that want to help, it's so kid friendly. This is so fun.
And I'm done with my
And
first
kind of,
shot.
you get to be artistic with it, right?
Yes. And then can I go in with the
Oh yeah.
zoom?
Yep. So what we're gonna do here? Let's scooch it a little bit. As long as I'll keep Duke out of the way.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yep. There we go. And you can do a little chocolate drizzle across the top. 1, 2.
Yes.
Kind of makes it look like birch bark trees.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Definitely.
Yeah. Ooh, pretty. We'll show you up closer once we're done.
So they dry.
Yeah. I mean, the other nice thing too is
Splatter.
like you can really customize whatever colors like of sprinkles you want to do with these.
Yeah, I'm gonna use the all different kinds.
All
of
different
sprinkles.
kinds, red, white, green. If you were doing for Christmas and those are your color choices, maybe you're celebrating Hanukkah and you want to do
Like blue or
Yep, exactly. Some blue and silver sparkles. That would be really cool.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
oh, I want to do on mine, I want to do some white drizzle.
Okay, can I do a pretzel rod?
Yeah, here, I'll trade you.
I mean a twisty
Oh,
tie.
Duke, start.
Duke!
Duke, bud, you gotta get down, bud.
You can't have your chocolate.
I know, come here, bud. I'll give you some pretzels, right?
I'm gonna go in with my white chocolate, my twisty.
He wants to be right where the, oh, you didn't even eat it. All right. What was I doing?
You're doing a.
Oh, I'm drizzling.
Mhm.
Did you get enough on there? Or are you good? All right, I'm gonna drizzle on my twisties. Ooh, so
I'm
pretty.
gonna do mine.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna use some sprinkles.
Yes, I'm gonna do. I have an idea for mine.
Whoa, all our sprinkles are getting mixed together. I'm gonna try some red sprinkles on mine.
Now I'm gonna go in with a chocolate rod.
Ooh, pretty. Okay, how we doing?
Good. I'm gonna go in with a chocolate rod. Ooh.
And then I'm gonna do a white chocolate rod.
My trick is just grab your spatula and just coat it.
And I was thinking, you know, like if there were, oh,
What?
buddy, get down, bud. If you had like multiple cousins, grandkids,
Yeah.
you could do like a whole setup, don't you
Yeah,
think?
definitely.
I mean, because you could you could pour the melted
Duke.
chocolate into different containers. Duke, come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Let's see. We'll be one of these. All right. I'll be right back, Maureen.
Okay. Yeah, as my mom was saying, you can do like all different kinds of flavors and different kinds of like not frosting, but melted chocolate.
Well, you could probably color your chocolate too.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, he's very intrigued tonight, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
Yep. He is on point. Huh. No pun intended. He's a German short-haired pointer. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
I take yes, ma'am.
That's beautiful, Marks.
Thank you.
And then you can just let them sit out to dry. Some people like to pop them in like a cooler place. Actually, the weather in Minnesota right now, we could practically just pop it out on the deck because it's not too cold outside that they would like wicked freeze right away. So, oh my goodness. What am I gonna do with you, dude? So that's our recipe. I mean, the simplest recipe ever, right?
Oh yeah.
And so delicious.
Yeah, I mean, I love these. They're like my favorite. I'm gonna do different colored ones.
Right now on our website, there's a link to check out like all of our our cookbook collection. We have cookbooks, I feel like, for all levels and ages and abilities. So
yeah, definitely.
Check it out, literally. And, oh my goodness. And check out what's happening at the library this winter. We've got adult winter reads coming up beginning January 1st.
Yeah,
so,
wow, that's
right around the corner. So lots of great things happening there.
Yeah.
And you can head to our website, carverlib.org, or go follow us on Facebook, obviously. And oh my gosh, Morgan, you're doing a fantastic job. I'm going to help with Duke. He's just so excited to be back cooking in the kitchen tonight.
Chocolate got
Oh, that's okay. No big deal. So, do you want to, we should show some
other
finished products, right?
Yeah. Let me just do.
You going to finish up some sprinkles? Yeah.
Awesome.
So what a quick, easy, fun treat. The pretzel rods, I know, are a huge family favorite for us, like for you and your cousins.
Yeah.
It's just a great snack, like, to have out.
Yeah.
Throughout the holidays. Super fun. So we have some that we had already finished.
They look so good.
I know. Are we gonna taste test one?
Yes. Can
You
we
pick
try
me
both?
one. Sure.
Do you want to have a vanilla or chocolate?
I think I want a vanilla.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I want the birch bark one.
Okay.
So look at that beauty. Oh,
Duke!
We'll get the chocolate away. Ah! Oh, we'll have to do this.
Oh my
quick.
gosh.
He is so excited tonight. Hey, sit. Sit. Whoa.
I'm going to have a mixed match one. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to all of you. Thanks for being library users and followers. We love you.
Yes.
And we'll see you in the new year.
Okay.
Let's try it. Oh.
Oh.
All right, let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Delicious. Fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah. Happy holidays.
We'll see you next time on Cooking in the Kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Bye.